Alright, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be working back on the car. Nothing too crazy. We're gonna be doing the washer fluid refill because we are empty. So we went with the OEM washer fluid. It's really not meant for Florida, but I wanted to try it and it was not that expensive, so yeah. And then we got our 1 gallon distilled water because you're gonna need it obviously because this is not enough. All right boys, so let's just get started. Let's get right into it. So as you can see, it's gonna go obviously in there. I already lifted it, so it's gonna be right here. And I gotta be careful about this because I see a lot of danger stuff, and yeah, even for skin, so I'm gonna try not to touch this. So how I'm planning to do it is probably throw all this in there, then the 1 gallon of distilled water. So I'll be right back with you guys once I get it open because like I said, I don't even want to get this anywhere near me. So we're gonna pour it in there. Hopefully none of it comes out where it's not supposed to. And that's about it. Every inch of my money. Now time for the distilled water. I already kind of ripped it open, so let's be careful. Throw that there. And start pouring. Every inch of my money too. So yep, that should fix my little sensor issue. No more of that. Let's check. Let's check if it's actually spraying now. Yeah, I should probably get my key for that. Okay, got the keys. Let's check now. So let's check if it's working now. Oh, there it is. Finally. Did that sensor go away? Should have. Better. I only got one more. Washer fluid low. Excuse me? Alright boys, so moving on to the other part of the video, it's gonna be this. So when I did my brake pads, I kept the old sensor and now I gotta replace it because you can't reuse the same sensor. Didn't know that. So this is gonna be my other part because I want to get every sensor off of my car, and I only had two, which was the washer fluid and then this little thing. So we're gonna change it right there in the back. Alright boys, so the night has catched on to us, but we got a little bit of help. He kind of appeared out of nowhere. So I was taking 2 of these off, but I was struggling with the other ones, and he came through and we did the teamwork shit where he stands on it and I hold it, make sure it doesn't slip. So very soon we're gonna get this tire off. Yeah, we're gonna get it off right now. So after taking the wheel, hey, where's my wheel? Oh, right here. So after taking this thing, you're gonna have to come over here and take this little one right here, which is a 10 millimeter.
Wait. Yeah. So we got a 10 millimeter.
10 millimeter that you gotta take off.
Right there.
To access.
You just take that little. Wait. Let me get a good look at it.
To take the breaker box right there. We gotta open that to change.
Yeah. And it only has two little plastic pins. Right, one. The light, please. Okay, so one right here where my finger is, and the other one here. And as you can see, the cables come out. They do like a little U-turn, and it comes all the way over here, and
right there.
the caliper. Boom. All right, Brian, let's get it. So right here we had the thing that goes in the thing, and you put in the thing. So right now Brian's trying to take the other one off.
You get pliers. It's the
Pliers.
easiest way. You're gonna need one of these to get that thing out.
Okay.
Some pliers. This is where, if you want to get a closer look, right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
There you go.
And it is off. That's good. Okay, you gotta take this little clip off to get the... Right
There you
there.
go.
So it's off. Now I
Wait,
can move
show.
the screen.
Wait, there you go. So this is the little nipple one.
Yep, right there.
Wait,
Now I
did
can-
that light? It's like, there you go. This little nipple one, you take it off.
Be able to take it off.
Wait.
That.
Boom.
That one. It's gotta come after that one.
You can do it.
I can't. Hold on. Two-hander.
Here, I'll hold the light.
There we go.
Okay, so
It's
it
off
came
there,
off.
there.
Wait.
Another clip there.
Got it?
Yeah. I'm just trying to. There we go. Trying to pull the whole wire, and then we gotta do
Another plastic
this
one.
clip. There we go.
That's a plastic one right there.
And
And then. Dun dun dun.
and there's this one right here. Gonna do that.
Go.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Take it out. Ta-da! Teamwork.
Alright, so it's off.
Now that that one's off, you want to show them?
Yep. Old cable, new cable. Imagine I put the old cable back in.
Yeah.
By accident. Friends. New one, old one. This is obviously worn, so new one's gonna be put in. Drop the old one. Wherever you can. Imagine
Garbage? Not
That,
garbage.
imagine that was a new one.
Garbage? Not garbage. It better not be the new one. Alright, guys.
Alright,
So-
boys. So, as you can see, show them heavy.
Wait. Put the light in.
So it is in there now. Now we will explain. It's already in there. You're gonna want to put it like this, facing this way. Way you're gonna know is because this part is flat. This one has like a little bump. Well, that little bump, that's what's gonna go in.
Facing out.
Yep, facing out and right in. All right.
Okay.
Now-
Once you do that,
We gotta route it back into where it freaking came from. Light please. So you're gonna put that there. Tighten the clamp. There we go. Click. You're gonna keep rerouting. I'm gonna kind of slide this down there. Just because this side is gonna be right here. So we're gonna slide that in there.
there you go.
There it is. And then we're gonna slide that in there. Just clip it. And where's the rest? There it is. We're gonna slide it here. Actually clamp it up. Slide it Slide it there. Make sure you clamp it up. And then you're gonna wanna come in here. Plug these back in. Make sure they're nice and tight. I think that's good. Come back to the box. And wait, this thing doesn't let me see. There we go. Nice and flush. There you go. Push it down, and it's basically good. Then after that, there you go. So after rerouting that, we're gonna push this back where it came from. Put the nut. Yeah, I got it.
Good.
Nice and tight, and everything else should be good. Now it's time to put back the tire. You sure?
Yeah, but we're gonna make double check once the car is over in the floor.
Okay.
Put them tight, you know. We don't want the tire to come loose when we're doing this.
So, in case I didn't put this in the video or something, or I forgot.
I think you did. Wait.
We started.
Hold on.
Okay.
I think this is better.
Okay. In case I didn't put that in the video, we started on the other side of the other tire, but we fucked up. It was actually this tire, the one that had the sensor. So that's probably why you see us on this side now. Just making sure in case I didn't put it in.
Yeah, it happens.
Let's check if the sensors have gone away, and if not, to reset them. Alright, so there it is. Alright, so once you're here, you're gonna hold this until this screen pops up. Once it pops up, you click it, and you can, you know, go through all of them. If this is what you're trying to do, obviously, you hold it. It's gonna ask you to reset. Hold it again. Alright, so the camera died, so we're doing it on the phone now. So once you hold it, it'll say reset. Just let it reset, and then it's gonna say let's reset it after that. So after that, you should be well. It shouldn't be here. I might have to still start the car before it goes away from here, I think. Oh no, it's gone.
Okay, so tell him, Brian, since camera died.
Alright, so camera died. So about the washer fluid, we're gonna put a little bit more, so like half a bottle now, and then maybe another gallon of distilled water, because I mean, look, apparently it wasn't enough. I thought it was enough, but this thing keeps saying that I'm low. So let's go get some more.
Yeah. And we'll cut up back. Alright, so we're back.
Alright, so we're gonna put 8 ounces, so half. So 8 ounces. So about right here.
Bartender skills.
Literally.
The second I said that, boom, spilled itself out.
No, but I didn't spill any. Don't get jealous.
I think that's it, right?
And I was like, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
That was perfect. 1 gallon. I think the thing is full.
Don't you need to like turn on the car?
No, look, it's full. That's it.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm positive. Let's see. Now let's just try to get the little notification. Hey, it's gone. Sweet. All right, boys. So we got both of those things done today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and do all those nice things. Hopefully we'll see you very soon with the next video. Peace.